Tá tú a géisioach leis na Gaelgals ar Raidió Rí-Rá.
Okay, gals, is fada ó bhí muid ligigh leir lena chéile agus tá neartí do ráig fi láthir. Idir hain an tun chasa seo tá an down just like trí hena al tá tú like literally ag glá ó ar ggóir ar an camera constáisiú super chill.
Tá sé tro an ige.
Oh man.
Tá mé de las an beer.
Danger obviously is mó filme bhfuil si géisi lei seo láir tá le túáil rote ag alsan haar gin sa sé an gan ar an sáán. Níl se lecote ag géirí tá sé mar se tá an gréad actually téach ar mágin bhí sé có grúma bhí sé ar nós le lá.
Mar sé báisteach.
Bhí sé kind of ag chu báistí, but bhí sé really scamalach agus like scamal dómha a bhí an so sé có dúcha le bhíarn le nasáilte chuir siú le tugur mágin bhí sé like impossible.
Yeah, Tom in náliamh agus tá sé like dear an ggéine, like bhí sé churbátí ar maidin.
Yeah.
Agus bhí mé kind of for.
Yeah.
Like ní le tuairtamach, but
yeah.
Just a grá.
Well, that's a dahi ar an chat anyway, right over Doha, so
yeah, ach le bheith forálta tá like air conditioning a gin in Doha, so bíonn sé like trucha céimach like is stock. No, tatu stock agus tatu agoni stock in Doha.
Yeah.
To like last month really. Tá air conditioning on, so tatu care for the word. But yeah. On shop, like oh my yeah, like a rare. Actually, be she coat hour like you read me on color like it was jacker.
Yeah, be an jacker. An tain rud ná an seo like an trá ein, so agus an tiisce like có for, but tá sé go hálinn like nuair tá sé like nuair tá sé an jet like the that's just like into shock. Class. Will sib I know an fire and you're in guest shop, but will she be brought in Air Love Island? Céhíd for pits and peaks on strasho céir cap sib faoi.
Níl sé ag brathniú air Imlína, just marall air Tom like rogan amach. You know, just living my own life.
Tá sé like
Níl si go sad le gatan eile.
No, níl si fear like de ná bhí nig fécin there, but just Imlína, just marall air like nílam sáileach ar fá like cúig seachtain agus Tom booked amach. So níl an Tom a gom le bheith fearnach, but Tom kind of a cumáú sa gacrod ar TikTok agus Twitter. August kind of I know not because she like on dinner is there, but Tom actually in raw the dada.
Oh yeah.
Like, tá sé có dahil August like I go like his accent. Love him. But I don't know why will she like problematic or controversial because Neil like vacant air like on sra.
Ní hé an din is massa is talking. Like Neil che furfa, but ní hé an din is massa. Like I don't think we'll aim din an atá like Kate van Gate furfa. Like tá she like just like I don't know like cared to the right load. Na bugly agus na colony Lena. Just Neil's go Jackson one is brought as Malam Gemma owns.
Gemma,
yeah.
She hates kind of like I don't know she hates kind of foster him like oh who against Raidió Rí-Rá like obviously again we got to know there if we kick oaks is Tashi but she ain't a layer more like undone is Abby is she not like that she just call like no not having it that she really like she now like Shasta Sulis hain yeah that she class mission as in Katie Captain does a we like
bíam ag breithnuir like gach ile ihe agus éisiom an podcast le gach lábhaí so ní le fucking say legam ach ceapan bhí bhfuil is agad I think ar srá ionach é like a scrád mé nó chun mé Adam Carter tú teachsteach agus like tú ag mága but tá sé hééis bheith cinál le Q an ó hin like I don't know tá cinál Kyle she's beagání momentum man sin agus cé go bhfuil drama fós down like bhí an snagmar pá acu ra agus ceap mé gur sin go má ach is fuúlam na láidir fád tá siad ar fád mars gan ná ach tá siad ar fád absolutely fucking diabolical agus is bralum le chaní is bralum India agus Gemma agus Ekin-Su.
Yeah, but like an rud ná like to like obviously fecinn tú de réir mar atá on season H Raidió like Neil she có like boss bitchy is a bhíic agus current sin broner agus I think what sin taréis tarlún to like leis na gals le beganín like but I think an rud le Love Island ná like I gcóí bíon beganín cúnas taréis dír taréis casa mór like sucrín ruí sios ach goháin like de ná bheith like láún an Lorder ach sin bheith si hééis like scarint and then like bheith duine eile hééis chatteteach like le duine á acu asábal like bhfuil go go live we like Greg and Amber like Amber is Michael that was like fi sin like all war gan but near Harley sin really done trash show it was kind of like oh my god like photo did Ella but also like just like it's fine like Neil triple gen I don't know like
agus an will lanu aháin kind of loidir immersion like Gemma agus Kate people she couple
Gemma agus Luca but tá Luca
ní hat nín Luca le mór
no yeah tá sé hééis like cúpla red flags a hatfont cúpla lá nuas tá Andrew near hatan si lum ar fa ages I suppose ní really hatanín si lum but I don't think well na dine eile cahabh go
bhuiil elected
literally but I don't think we era tá Andrew kind of chat on board when an Adela because she kind like
even though he licked someone else's tish
it's a whole we literally come full circle it's like conas gur féidir láta bheith cód on a sin gohfuil Adam Collard mar like the baseline good boy Sevilla like he's just like oh yeah Ashen kind of unsavory I think Ashen kind of cosúla Greg O'Shea le Amber is in like Hannah Shea shock like Paige at Hall look pair at it now I'd actually think like make Jess Shaku like can do
Neil me igligant to fucking Adam Collard
I know but like
that creased
I know
but
like but shouldn't watch the Wilmot like kind of lads all his vet love because he's just there like oh yeah
Kenny Shane-ish Adam
bit of Shay but like
Shay
yeah
well Sinead oh my god you got to that kind of girl she like in a Sean her like
yeah
you got to that girl she like yeah niece Shannon not truck I can't make
yeah near check like for a donor we say Aaron Stratton
oh my yeah
you listen like need in raw lat K Aku base and do it or Herbert like
oh a daring of mine flipping big Gemma's Luke I was new agree
still not make her women's aid rock smock queen kind of like yeah agus her Jerfork beidir tá ganas chuúntas Instagram her she'd like rá mock we like oh garbage leiscéil ascuid umper like ní hééis sin an umper a bhíon aige de ná like that's just mad yeah Tá le tá like a clan like níl siad fiú na leiscéil aige well really eile tá she just like oh yeah
like tá she just gafa lehí like I don't know
kind of but like basically rinne like an rud a Harlan ná bhí an movie night aon so tá spanan sé clips ó stuff atá éis Tarlint
oh yeah
agus bhí like chora idir Gemma agus bucail eile and then Hughie Luca like Fion he was like oh bhí tú flirtál leis nó cabé and then just but like ní raibh aon rud agus she was like agus haspáin sé saní seán like nar blach sí le haon rud she was like oh like ní raibh aon rud ann le rá go raibh si gurí bheith leis an duine eile so then but who session like Fiona and then we got to like oh that's not okay if you should just like really love it if we so den agron shot Curmar buska kechte suas den trend shot agus curran like funer ekimse TikTok den trend shot just curran na fragri agora me so Curmar kecht for multi-career shop free is jet iad ach ... agus lean na Barney so tamid kun clithe immert idir an tuairgwin chun chuideach seo a léh agus tá chun ar scór hain a chur arthú so neadidir bhfuil leon na gurí dollar dús nó mis sé dús tá siad gas ar fád na chuid atáéis táach okay mis okay glór acu buine si leis an ghilga bud na cí nach buine leis an ghilga tá siad le chorán amachgus bailíd so is jet iad ach tá ingnacha salacha acu
Car
I've been níos leo like a dough tree
yeah dono tree
tá sé literally an rud is éasgus a down till lava need like just need a lava
so
yeah need lava sin mo line
sé Jacker
okay
like mas rig will to ingna salak like what else is salak like
yeah I think there's a good
what else are you not watching agus fan fé é mar
Okay, is jet iad ach deir siad Gaelic le haid Gaeilge. Now brahan si seo má tá Gaeilge acu nó murhfuil Gaeilge acu. No más asú go óla dómh, cos a gúgála sa Gaeilge dearann siad Gaelic seachas Gaeilge nó
Gaelic ceirclóir, but
Gaelic, yeah.
No, like, well, brahan sé ar like más tír eile iad.
Yeah.
Agus like actually níl a is acu gur Gaeilge an tanhatáir an taimge than sin ceirclóir. But like
But I think nuair a cliisiom like brunner mata ein Americanach ignition but nuair a cliisiom Americanach nó sasnig ará agus like take am arís like chance just nach a socket but tugta sin like ní heebie-jeebies dom I like niscom like horhin like dough or sin I don't know niscom.
I think brahan sé.
Oh, well, it's like a technical news she's me cars. Tasam nach sin on Tanama outside and waiting it.
Yeah.
Like a technical news she'd me cars. You know, Mar is you saw her gay like it's trying to count he I guess tagging Gaeilge na halban own Gaeilge I guess is well it's like get technical news she'd actually go me cars in.
Yeah, I know, but just force me want to make.
It's an ick.
It's an ick, yeah.
It's an ick. A glorify again. No, ain't team lads, but I would say like most where they knock will she'd like knock Larry she'd Gaeilge or whatever Tasha character.
Yeah.
As long as like you're a dare to like like Durham Gaeilge, they'd be like and then they'd correct it then whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think probably earned enough.
Yeah. Okay, on Rocky wish you're like no one to Gary. Could you feel come on?
Okay, quickly my jam. It's jet a eid och. Ein sheet a dinner a goni salada.
Ooh.
Like just say like my crumbs.
Yeah.
Like just
you know like I know like Tom McCalder but like nor a V made single. August being to like snap all lads. Tashi and goni a keha. Dinner salada. Like what's going on? I think that's ick behavior. It's it's a no for me. Like a tree or caher.
Yeah, a tree.
Yeah, or a tree no caher.
Tree.
Sound like crumb.
Like not full board kitchen August.
Yeah.
Like,
is jet eid och is fuelo pashti. Is jet eid och is fuelo pashti.
I mean
one of a like pashti wet then I'd say Tashi Kekler. Och dumpsa like it's a nod like.
But
for me,
it's mean her buns go who though.
Yeah, so it's a red flag.
Brahan shit, like I don't know.
Like that pashti ach just ní hatni an pashti dini elalum. So daring to go home.
Ach like I make two salsa pasta a vet got like far knock like near Whitelow pasta.
Oh no,
or,
like as in like mas like Montama's laird we like came in a sale like agus má pastí wem obviously like tam gur make pastí ag did ella but like you don't know feeling too ladini agus just like ní hatni pastí lo a bit that like it's ick sin like very raw pretty car but the orange bean pastí just really annoying like I don't know like she grand so she cute and then twas she like layer it and then she's like sticky. Maybe I don't want pastí.
Brand your pastí because it's bra lots of the nacht agus ní.
Yeah, it's like it's bra the pastí will ask nagam who agus like car and stuff my shin like shin bra like it's bra like super but then just like pastí ella agus like I don't.
Tá sé knows like dingy frost fresh like ní hatan a strong cherry random thought like a scradler and trodlum agus má dingy though just.
You're giving me the ick now.
Sure like Jerry leis na Gaeilge Nick.
Yeah. The moon tree bun scola.
Yeah.
Exil tro
skirt.
The moon chory and then Misha Alton agus Roisin.
Yeah. Literally laughing
5 to 3
in a moon tory.
Okay, Alison Kate Captain
Okay. Okay, so it's the Edoc Neil she denied on Orquaila Umnu again.
Sin Misha. I'd say Coojay.
Sin Misha.
Yeah. Coojay Giddish me.
Nurlay me sin vi Misha is fós is de id mar it's ní é nachhaidir le mé rá ní merst.
Well,
so much conspoid on your Twitter near the Gaeilge. Fuman na Gaeilge rá geart.
I think an our quail I'd have touched I'll get no near to other like is in like tá sé ag like roisin agus ifa, but just níl sé agam.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Níl
mas
sé
galibhdí.
Yeah, I know, but as in
Sin
like
rud.
I think but being shake like kind of ridiculous obviously, but then like oriented Ladini Ella like Felamine she couldn't say umnu agus ching brat, but just níl sé agam agus níl and Tamagam really can
No.
like Jerry and
Níl
Lamaine,
agam.
I was like, oh yeah, like Tamagam got the generation and then just me and him read.
Ceann eile, okay. Seo ceann eile, oh god. Because seo mé sé, is that iadach, úsáidin siad an reaction picéine ar gach bí real.
Sin me se.
Peace and power.
Peace and power.
No, but as in anation like gannn tú an ceann tógan tú ceann ar an spotta. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, like,
that like vinegar like sin nadine buns úsad as na keen like pre-saved. Gur beats and
Oh, baby.
dogan sheets in the reaction, so it's just like on Cree no on Goyer no Caberot and came pre-saved.
Oh, so like ní tógan siad pick?
Yeah, and he hogan sheet pick just chucking sheet and keen pre-saved or in a sheet and then just showing sheet each in.
I'm not too on sin dhéanamh.
Yeah.
Oh. I just piece and pout.
Integrates like I'm gonna save so much time.
I just piece and pout. I really no, because Neil more on Cardo go maybe real with that fair enough.
No, Neil more dine air, the problem that makes you small. Actually, I think you're not on Fobra, like feel hard.
Yeah.
Oh, no, real.
Chronic may I really quick.
Yeah, genuinely.
August lads when I will shiver be real, get on that quick.
Yeah.
Not actually on spree, let's not me. Just piecing about them.
Yeah.
August cash topic. Not good on tema. Oh, sorry. Got a piece and pout. On mean shiv like actually real or be real because like Tom kind of on Derira fusion like I'm very real or be real like mas really will me like Salaris like Togum a pick nerfium on notification because shin on like on Puente then app not will but like see Madrahar like Madrahar needs Togan she like social media so Derira but like Norvi Marilyn Sarah he was like say Vishay is Jack August like Aaron Tulug like crispy August like in a Tawalia August like the be real notification goes off August being Shay like oh Tom Kundulamak August like Liamak Fingrania August and be really air felt like gone homemade and then so like Neil Shay real air be
Brian Jerry like weren't it like must say like on road Kane and Italian on Laura but like just I remember it's like Glock and Green Raptor Rodig and like Shaffojux like I don't know what watch something like done draft and with Homer like just got my shit on it. It's like you know like Shinga Bra but I don't know on Togan Count like Aaron Letters no like Hanukkah Fogra law want nerve me like Jerry my own gay and I was like no I was like I'm Negeri Quebec Asian I was like no that's too far yeah so but yeah beam co-real agus is fader
yeah okay
co fear agus is fader co break up agus is got
yeah Gwil go mas féidir burla mas ga. Cúpla ceann eile agam sa so ní maithlo amáíocht. I know nach lean an tip sem amáíocht really, but dumsa feic sin like do. Like
I mean I'll make sure like divasco for you vein pargoch mar like sport na right?
Yeah.
Ach,
no, aber amáíocht no pelgwell like fein but sin just my road like I don't know like,
yeah okay forget.
Yeah, dump set me I think like Tasha Tabata will she'd sport you like in some way, but yeah, Murder to Osman if they actively were like rude about it or whatever, that's like a 2.
Okay, August Glanan a Maher a quid so it's jet eid of Glanan a Maher a quid 80 August a Shomra. Ní lá na go mar anna Kajini a yen sin like well it's okay like near into Somalia it's okay to Jacker like AD take up because like imo shock Somalia being mom just like barely he just need like and then go on track is like cabaret current like washer shoe like carrot or it's a lot but then like le show me and stuff machine like I don't know brancher and like what have you like golfing day touching grand but like wanted to do like meet her up take so it's to I'd be like carrot
yeah I think yeah ain't him that like the AD touching floor except nor atá Dini Fosta ag dul a bháile ag an deir seachtainna onas go maiid awam in 80 ag bhána like that's like I'm going home somewhere around and do my washing no but I think nor atá amhána glána a seomra
Yeah.
Why?
Bit like kind of like you're gonna mom in with them anyways.
Yeah,
like
say more for it's more for the man. Like
yeah, more for Privogicus, like I don't know.
so no, like a 2.
Yeah. Very come to well.
Kind of nervy sister rotten. I was like, oh no, Tommy actually thought me trace my horse while I could my river shot. Margel Ganir and Sheilom like tá is angli moam. I so big she actually farga glumsa. She be like call the terms are again of it. Came from up will 80 lash like big she actually tried to mock them some one around like running in a day back you know. Being just Maleshka nabi may extrater Mina, I guess. We may free brew. So it's Joe May.
Wow.
Ní caiithn siad ach éí Jack and Jones. Oh yeah. That's
on a specific.
Yeah, but like take me. Actually take me. Like Bugly literally Dirach a Cahav Brishigania August Tilina Lesh na focal Jack and Jones.
Yeah.
That's not fashion.
No.
That's concerning.
Yeah, because an Ishel or Molesta.
Yeah, I don't end in a basic shop a door to Jack and Jones. Anyways, it's probably usually more listed. So not my type taking off. So
or like similar like better like Abercrombie or like Hollister.
Yeah, like just like brand I want. Like
yeah. Screaming sheet on my categum dog I heard free Sean Gwelger TikTok.
Like -40.
Yeah.
Like kneeling that hill. Like
18
absolutely not on. Stocks and Argonaut.
Okay.
Yeah. Like throw the whole person out. It's coming on.
Actually, I would say like Ain did a screen and kind of Ain would jerk Vasock or like Erlina.
Yeah.
Like
do you mean the trader?
Yeah, trader Twitter or like that's a nod. Like how do you have the time for that?
Like go touch the grass. Like honestly. Just go Shas left me air. Just figure and spare or fa cool no mate like 50 grand. Like it's not that deep.
Yeah, it's not that deep. Yeah.
Okay, tá mé chun cúpla fuga agus mar cin like quick fire.
Okay.
Okay, sta iad octane si go loch arm an air looking to Sarah.
Let's talk. Post the jazz.
Darren like a cool like Neil May. It's not that like it's coming up. It's actually grand where though because like literally the loch arm and just like lawn the dino ball like either laying the series to his ear no Dini just a vogan saying I feel like Gamogan on Christine like loch arm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't remember if I'm work is do such in #hashtag jobs. Just personal attack.
Don't talk like literally be mobile home at Muflon. Yeah, look
Guaranteed TG4.
-40 again. Like not a hope.
On Darren Dini TG4 like shots
Yeah.
like
Darren
fear like not no well got Akuk fake Darren Pell like do people say TG4?
No, but Darren like Nishoni need TG4 like as in Neil she just Neil to the gear TG car out whereas like orange digging too like Dini just knock digging like her car TG car out but then the Dini I know it's just they're like oh no it's TG4 losers
I know
yeah a nod Darren Nation
is that you doc carking she do quid bushing gramedy
ní bhéin an a bheith cardio low
no
literally ní bhéin an on because like we couldn't have a conversation.
But it's just like I don't know like yeah like Nadine Shin like it's like okay like Neil too furfa like okay the main button in but like get over it like it's not that deep or each like
it's not that deep obviously Kermit
go Jane Rediganella let the hill shock snake carty like
yeah
Seo cean bhí agam agus má seo cean a bheith like deartha ar lads don Christma agus seansco se seo mín Is there iad ach tá scríbhnóach de sacu ar nóspáiste.
Sin like do you know onward sin leis na like na bralíní bhíon like lads like in a shower I mean she'd like a leg like dúgarm and it's like one pillow agus like na bralíní sin kind of an tá sin ar an level céine like scríbhnóir yeah
one pillow and their mom cleans the room
yeah the room in Wexford
yeah no it's coming on Queen's Queen more le bheith fair because I think to like actually being Shay Jackard and like on Quid's Dini screaming or stuff about okay so or something else people don't care whatever
I was like sé na fá le go me cap sean go le bioganin mean
Yeah.
sorry lads mas already go for my like carta
Valentine's Day. Love you.
Scraping crayon.
One capital letter.
Scrape
and crayon.
like sorry sound like a person of the mantelpiece like no.
Like let on made ruddy attire Lena and feel like it's not the bigger, it's not that deep. Don't say or you know start from not really say that deep. Because like right here on post-tag because like I made armacot shay like synedicus or whatever like so I don't know like obviously like that's brief nor up to 4 because it's new to me. I literally like take so much pride in my handwriting. Like I can see why some people don't care.
Yeah, I was just no sorry now.
Féinrá like a shade like neotical.
Yeah. Massa.
Yeah, ní an is massa. Yeah.
Allison's true.
Go on, Alison. Oberlin cared Captain forever.
No, I say live jazz. It'd be like a cooing.
Okay. I was live mean
a tree.
Yeah. Okay. Shouldn't frag be wet. Okay. Well, Lincoln, I'll.
No, be making all quick fires.
Okay, so it's jet iad current sheet banya is stock sa bell at Raven cereal. Okay, show Ken Neil actually is atnagum or ain't in the EN station. Like no. You know, like it's kind of like near current sheet and cash. It's like like cereal Raven banya and no wallet. And it's like Neil atnagum it's agoni like cereal reduce.
Yeah, current Dini on cash in agoni like kind of more like on what came and not which came first, chicken or the egg, but it's not like it's always cereal. Reduce agoni. So yeah, you don't go well Dini actually are you know. But if they did, it's really, really concerning. Go hig on doctor. Quick.
Shut down really specific question. Current sheet scale to suit or Snapchat of me or count is pre-voting. So my current sheet like gnaw scale to suit or Snapchat.
See, I think well along Dini like inish Tadini usage Snapchat scale Kasuala scale pre-voting because Neil kind of cúpla daoine mar card acu ar Snapchat or whatever so just usage and sheet on scale mar scale pre-vodac but I don't know
buin an anna cuid daoine anseo ús that off Snapchat mar like pre-vote chaghála like as in Shaq is like Messenger no WhatsApp no immersion.
Ní bheith I think do you know what actually go bra like má tá úsáid Snapchat mar like scale pre-vodac ní don go current in soccer mar like chance go like carriage agad a cúpla bliain ó hin atá úsáid agus tá níos mó daoine agad ar Instagram agus níos gur chu Instagram. Ach bhfuil is fuú lumnar úsáid an daoine Snapchat mar príomhún se teaghála like current Isa fucking Christ. Tá mé hééis armadí an bhar an rud dirty like tá fá ann bhfuil Messenger agus WhatsApp agad agus gur freidim cuimhnú an rud dirty.
But sinráte is bralum group chat Snapchat with girls.
Oh, okay.
Chaos class.
It's Snapchat
yeah, but it's in Queeg and New Sodom today. It's only they're like really either really shaffic or like major life updates.
Or like
there's like Neil in between. It's like dating an event like San Hospital. I was like half my leg is hanging off. I'm like so girls like bit of an accident like should I
let you know
just thought I'd let you know like should her let you know like it's totally fine like doctor should be able to fill back up like
and then like on Kate Snapchat will be like oh my god gals like folk may buckle and you'd be like someone's in the hospital with their leg hanging off
just be like in between the fish on and be like
I heard tell her show Lindini like Rudy's Jack on Egan Kana and they all get like jumbled and then you're just watching them all and you're like what's going on it's even loving so chaotic. I think like we like couple me on or you may do hugs we make more who really homesick so ni rev me go my come out to us my social media because gach of you made kind of dini like actually mo made 10 and like if you make whole bronock that I was just like disassociating from everybody but Snapchat and Tane Road if you make fake interrogonies like and like every now and then even though you probably didn't hear from me Igor like Karen V I'd be like hey gals and like air on Snapchat as if like qualification in like
but then like near Hoggins na fish on the stock like Kahi may like Tommy Haitian like ni may Roa like a brand new fish on like oriented just been down skip out like
oh yeah
just basically like
BJ jacket
like truck a fish on in but then like legit to my hate like a vet like really like diarrhea if we in a feature on or hog shit stock. I'm like, right, coffee, like Rissius and story.
Yeah.
Like clues on a stock.
You're
Like
not
there's
duress,
doing
yeah.
we could treat it like come to a goal, and I was like, something's happening. Snapchat, I have to go. I'll be back in 30 to 40 minutes.
We made Kojo basically Shan Maher like completely by accident August my darling to Syria like an chocolate chicotcha because the Aoife Tree scale is show agus we should call grander so we make golf election scale August Honig Mo Shan Maher Marcus Hushik she kind of and I was like Granny I'm listening to something August be I'm like dull August sorry or Ollie after I was like I'm so sorry Is me Higgin like Shandy like knock will to non stock lash Arish like it's gone like she was like oh they were so rude and I was like I know but I had one chance to listen to that ridiculous thing.
Oh man
It's
God.
They're 10 but they're rude to their here took me make count because they make count a rare August I really related to it. It was like it's so it's Jetted och it's Milo chef ketchup. What are you doing like just eat Heinz. It's lash on red cane not like Nuritain Quig like chalk Dini Ella August like Brownwell's mayo like the Aldi mayo. It's like 40 cents extra to get Hellman's. Just get Hellman's. Why are you being mean to yourself?
Treat yourself.
Yeah, Shinrud not like like skimping it, not like sauces. It's like branded sauces, Igoni's chocolate.
Igoni,
Igoni. Garlic mayo, normal mayo, ketchup.
Cane
sweet chili mayo.
Garlic mayo. I mean to again.
Tá ceann agus actually gentle chun de lué, it's Brian Lynch. Agus tá sé like tá sé like really garlicky tá sé class. But gentle I think in enter in like Dunleer in a rock version.
Yes, if you a curl question because in Shop Eggenham in Raidió the Dublin Meat Company.
Oh yeah.
Like garlic sauce on and garlic mayo and I think you agree with that.
Sure, like kind of already if we need to film set, not like garlic mayo.
Yeah,
that's
garlic
like,
mayo.
That's one of my personality traits.
Garlic mayo, Raidió, chippies, Supermax.
Yeah, Supermax in the Barack Obama Plaza. Well, it's
Jetted. It's Jetted that's how she got for the Barack Obama Plaza.
Fair, Bridget. Oh God.
Is Jetted och on chocolate is Farlow not Turkish delight?
I don't think we'll actually taste Turkish delight a real.
Is even lumps of Turkish delight?
No, sorry, no.
Tom Litchendon is conspodach nor like nor Tom D kind of win chocolate because I love bounty bars as well.
No, it's small and bounties. No,
I love them.
It's small and bounties like is in like eat and eat the more knocker vein.
Oh yeah. Like I wouldn't
know
I wouldn't you can own bounty all what. Cake cannons like bounties, gonna bounties like problem bulalo. Just racial like
need canyon need like I no. But Mara Derskina like do you know like near fine tea like tub of celebrations in Gordon and like gawkward Ella deuce August and Chin Marielle knock will she'd like liked by many people. Ta bounties Igoni Falca Gandera and then like
like who's the real winner here?
Yeah, literally.
Do you have me bounties though?
Anything
honestly.
Covered in chocolate, I'm gonna eat it. Like anything. Gach Derdy na skull Neri hug on privija bar chocolate do. Like done inventory or thought. August shocked in the one hug sheet bounties too. August I'd say about jet bounties on lot. Near Avania Geary. It's class.
Living your best life.
So yeah. Och, Kane ever Torfish ever go Turkish delight is their favourite chocolate or bounties.
No.
Something gross like that.
I do.
During like shake.
Tána mílta round out. I was talking to you right now. Flipping Turkish like bounty, no fruit and nut. Sorry now.
Class.
No. I love a whole nut.
Same.
I love a whole nut. Which is surprising for me.
I love a whole nut. I absolutely love a whole nut. Oh, I love it. Is Jetted och is a matta on Tover Sparrow? Jet post, I don't think.
New current shouldn't have started really.
No, Mr. Cleared.
Ní Olin cheap tea, no coffee.
Sin now. Like it's in like Cactor Acu Gabra, like mar ólan tú either té nó mar ólan tú coffee, but ólan tú an cean eile, but mar
like rodé, just rodé like Curdy Yang tú le one Olin she'd
Ceir dhéon tú le the lá mar bhfuil tú déanam té nó cafe
Yeah.
cruúig óir sa lá literally.
I think go bhfuil sé asla glóir nach bhfuil daine go like olté like what's going literally Tom Goffin.
Curdy Yang tú le the law like hog me is me ag bog an seo like hog me tá like fós like package the Molly té agam an seo.
Oh yeah.
Agus like 500 tea bags go dó.
Yeah.
Agus an sin just go Centra. Agus tá Barry's tea bags acu so Barry's and lines quick.
Barry's.
Oh, I'm Lions. No, I'm always wrong.
Yeah, Lions.
Barry's.
Chalk Lions.
On Dirt's two Lions, Tina.
Yeah, Lions, yeah.
Yes, can't make her Dirt's two.
No, because August I reached is deal breaker bhí an sin ar bhí nuair bhog me hain agus Trina stop because obviously all she Lions but on Kenna Lions because dul me on gná Ken but only she in gold blend.
No.
Ken Jarrick, so we're a Jarrick now. I had to I know.
So cod am too big on Ken Jarrick?
Yeah. I don't need any different thing. I literally don't see it. Like
Queen's compromise queen.
I know I'm bug make a G and table it into your August Darrick may take.
Whoa.
Like phonic any day now.
What are you getting out of this? The bounties. On White Lady bounties.
I don't think so. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, you don't know?
No, so Bayer and caution about on sort of both so
yeah.
Another deal breaker.
Tá léh dúpla céim chur seo sé ar de Colleen chuirsí clip arm I fi seán ar Instagram le anna chuid rana just dodrí because she don't go
gas.
Ach tá siad an dearthe ar fear agus le ra like is é ach tá sé níos ísle maithú nó
Feeling aw no sin jazz.
No,
back to bounties are
ní raibh me sé ggóir an anchor. Okay, tá seo cean actually tá feic go mar TikTok. Like tá an grán aige ar Harry Styles. Like not just indifferent but grán like fua.
See, I think that like Larry and Shin dumsa like insecure in your masculinity.
Yeah.
Mas we're not but like okay, ní faiú bheith ag leis a quid kill like mana bhfuil tú like you know a fan of it. But like ní gá leis a bheith like drug face actually.
Ceirtrí okay, ceirfu an just cúpla ceann ar like málar na scéil so like is cahar é ach.
Okay, so yeah, like see, yeah,
yeah,
or like it's cahar é ach tá sé lí fan whale.
Yeah, like solid ní gla.
Yeah.
Or like it's like 3A ach imri and shape Pelagor Sunday.
Ooh.
I think that's big.
Alton, I think your version of this is 3A ach imri and shape rugby to kill the line.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Don't sound like it's cuig a ach like it's even low posture is moon to
Don't say it's like it's 3 ach Konichi not taking Grafadon to Twan taking Barack Obama Plaza Kundal Chak.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, just gonna make it random like it's just currently like Manu to give it a dumb. Is hey but he gets stuck in a revolving door and like that was just Phoenix like on Damara.
Near Lutu Manu and Shin was gonna recount it's like oh it's jet eid of Genesheed Eocht Eocht Dublin bus le fiver.
I was going to these massive was the my god.
Or like it's jet eid actually on leap card okay. Frastal there Trinity.
Yeah, big on it's like drastic cheater clash in August dirt cheese lash girl.
Oh yeah. Cade would
yeah, probably like cooig.
Okay, an cean dearnach agus an ceannas massa. Is jet eid ach nílas a go céad na gaelgals.
Yeah, no.
Sin actually just like McLaren Lake. Not gonna lie. Got in a lesson with the sale gaelga. Oh well, that's not gonna who. TBO.
Sin McLaren nach gaelgories.
Yeah, literally.
Ach, like caihu macraid anna ag rála dini céad na gaelgals, so
So na cuiimh lá a ní sin sa club agus chuir in éigen ceir an like ceir éad na Gaelgails agus bhíar in like a bheith cóborthe like gone an like well is up to carriage away gasléir an school céine géile agus bhí an birchbuin just na tríhí ag gáir is gá a gurí na fo sin úsá like bhí sé Jacker.
Tá daoine in doha ag éisteach linn. Because obviously an chuid acu like mentorí bun scoile agus tá siad a géirí cumá fiú / an bhil lever. But like I'd say like cahar no chore community like dirt sheetlum.
Mr. Worldwide.
Like éisteach fada.
Sin jazz tá méid sin daoine hééis rálam an seo fresh sin go bhín si géisi an bhíon an nóirán downer.
Oh yeah, mission question. I'm like I hope you didn't listen to this specific episode.
Oh god.
Tá si go jazzby and like literally her calling question. She's like, so can I feel like for father, Kayla? And I was like, just a matter father. I was going shut up. So alert.
He's a 10, but he didn't go to the news.
Yeah.
Actually, Karen of August is jet Neil like Nakonda or all Aku as in like Neil Aku Kane alternate and will like Neil like Tyrolis new tier shot or all Aku as in like oh hey like do you know means like Tigra like oh I'm dull because you like can call on they're like oh she's an actual like Carla. It's like what we may train on and chat and gotcha right done fell agus curtain in Kester and Crywastum and I was like oh that's kind of Ludum and she was like oh where's that
no
as if just narhula sheep we not a curve I was like oh like does she not clear and she's like oh like Neil blast clear and I was like
no Neil.
So yeah, Deanie Mar sin like does not I don't know this one came follow Christian shocker.
Like Balia, mas Balia tá an Beiger.
Yeah, Balia.
Is Beiger black le sin. But the Conde umlaut.
Conde umlaut is a bit.
I think will sin Gerlish in this day gals. Gurmila mag of gotten a fiol kind of shop with firmar lol carrot over Frygri. Beiger mock and jog in image lagan exula. I think we'll shiv hate on a quid elum Queen Tourgwin agus our quid preferences agus stuff hat nílan agus stuff not that nílan so ach baby drash a reach again kaikisha le hagran ella agus yeah Sinead Gurmila mag of slán live
Slán.
Slán.